Hello. We got some arena skirmish going on here. Good old threes game. Looks like I'm playing with a rogue, a sub-rogue, and a holy priest. Alrighty. No problem. I'm probably just gonna cleave because that's what you do as a death knight anyway. So I thought I'd just start this video by telling a story about myself. Just give you a bit of insight of what kind of person I am. I've been playing WoW for a couple of years and more recently getting into the more serious side of PvP. This is just a skirmish though, nothing too deal. But yeah, so I am not very good at the game. So yeah, just thought I'd put you on there. But there we go. Looks out. Just gonna grab some pressure here, I'll get that sap on it. I'm just gonna grab the DK. This has up rolls. The execute. And that's how you play the game, really. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.